Hello, welcome friends. Me Anila. The topic of my discussion is about combustion of linolenic acid. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Friends, in this video, I will tell you how to balance equation for the combustion of linolenic acid. Linolenic acid is a fatty acid containing carboxylic group and alkyl chain. When this organic compound is burned in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide and water is formed. So we have to balance this equation. This is the molecular formula of linolenic acid C18H30O2. It reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. This is unbalanced equation. We have to balance this equation. We have converted this into two sections. First half reaction. C18H30O2. Linolenic acid has 18 carbon, 30 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. It is converting into carbon dioxide. In linolenic acid, one oxygen has -2 charge, so 2 oxygen has -4 charge. One hydrogen has +1 charge, so 30 hydrogen has +30 charge. So 18 carbon has -26 charge to make overall charge 0. So in linolenic acid, oxygen has -4 charge, hydrogen has +30 charge. So 18 carbon has -26 charge. Carbon dioxide, carbon has +4 charge. In carbon dioxide, one oxygen has -2 charge. So 2 oxygen has -4 charge. So one carbon has +4 charge. So this linoleic acid is converted into carbon dioxide. We will put 18 in front of carbon. In carbon dioxide, carbon has +4 charge. So 18 carbon has +72 charge. We will multiply +4 by 18. It becomes +72 charge. So carbon has changes its oxidation state from -26 to +72. This is approximately 98 electrons are released, that is oxidation occurs. So 18 carbon in linolenic acid has, in carbon dioxide, there we will put 18 in front of carbon dioxide. So there 18 carbon on left side, 18 carbon on right side. Since 98 electrons are released, oxidation occurs. So we will write C18H30O2 gives us 18 carbon dioxide plus 98 electrons. This is oxidation reaction. In this equation, carbon is 18 on both sides, but oxygen is not balanced and hydrogen is not balanced. We have to balance oxygen. To balance oxygen, add 34 water molecules on left side. Because hydrogen is not balanced, we have to balance first oxygen. So we will add 34 H2O on left side, because on right side there are two, on right side there are 36 oxygen, on left side there are 2 oxygen. So we will add 34 water molecule on left side to balance oxygen. So the equation becomes C18H30O2 plus 34H2O, 18 carbon dioxide plus 98 electrons. To balance hydrogen, add 98 protons on right side. That is because in this equation there are 34 multiplied by 2, this time hydrogen. So we will balance hydrogen by adding 98 protons on right side. That is linolenic acid plus 34 H2O gives us 18 carbon dioxide plus 98 electrons plus 98 protons. This is equation 1. In this equation, carbon is balanced, 18 carbon, 18 carbon. Oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now, second half reaction. In second half reaction, oxygen is converting into water molecule. In oxygen molecule, 2 oxygen has 0 charge. In water molecule, oxygen has -2 charge. Oxygen has 0 charge. We will place 2 in front of H2O because one oxygen in H2O has -2 charge, but 2 oxygen has -4 charge. So oxygen has changes its oxidation state from 0 to -4. So 4 electrons are gained, that is reduction occurs. So we will add 4 electrons on left side. Oxygen plus 4 electron gives us 2 water molecules. Now we will balance hydrogen. To balance hydrogen, add 4 protons on left side. That is oxygen plus 4 electron plus 4 proton gives us 2 water molecules. This is equation number 2. Because in equation number 1, we have 98 electrons. And in equation 2, we have 4 electrons. So we will multiply equation 2 by 24.5. We get why 24.5? When we multiply 4 with 24.5, it becomes 98. Because we have to cancel the electrons, that's why we will put 98 electrons on one equation on one side and in other equation on other side. After multiplying, we get 24.5 oxygen plus 98 electron plus 98 protons gives us 49 water molecules. This is equation number 3. Now add equation 1 and equation 3, we get. Now when we add the two equations, the equation is, in this equation 98 electrons and 98 protons are cancelled on both sides. C18H30O2 plus 34 water molecule plus 24.5 oxygen molecule gives us 18 carbon dioxide plus 49 water molecules. 98 electrons and 98 protons are cancelled on both sides. Because on left side we have 34 water molecule, on right side 49 water molecules. So subtract 34 water molecule from 49 water molecule, we get 15 water molecule on right side. So equation becomes C18H30O2 plus 24.5 oxygen giving us 15 water molecule plus 18 carbon dioxide. This is equation number 4. Now this equation is balanced, but one thing you have noticed that in balancing this equation, oxygen is 24.5. It is in fraction. We have to remove this fraction. It should be a whole number. So we will multiply equation 4 by 2. So we get 2C18H30O2 plus 49 oxygen molecule gives us 30 water molecules plus 36 carbon dioxide. So this is the balanced equation for the combustion of linolenic acid. In this equation, carbon is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced, atoms are balanced, and this equation in terms of electron is balanced. So, linolenic acid, a fatty acid, when burnt in the presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. We have balanced this equation. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thanks.